Basic appraisal principles. Page 90. That increase its value, use, or enjoyment. In other words, things that improve the property. The two categories of improvements are as follows. Improvements to the land. This includes such things as utility lines, sewer line, streets, curbs, and sidewalks. These types of improvements prepare the land for subsequent use. Improvements of the land. This includes such things as buildings and landscaping. For instance, houses, fences, driveways, garages, and other constructed items. The ability to determine whether an improvement is classified as to or of the land isn't as important as having the knowledge to identify what is an improvement. All improvements, both of and to the land, are part of the real property and thus are essential components when valuing a property. Basically, items affixed to the land with the intent of being permanent are considered improvements. Table 4, period 1 provides some examples. Later in this unit, we'll discuss the law of fixtures, which is a method used to determine whether or not an item is considered an improvement. Rights/privileges. The first two components of real property discussed in this unit are land and improvements. The third and last component of real property is the rights and privileges that accompany the land. For example, property owners have the right to mine minerals beneath the surface, or the right to make use of the water that touches their land. The following are the basic rights that can be associated with land: air rights, water rights, mineral rights, oil and gas rights, support rights. Figure 4, period 1. What is considered an improvement? You have a chart here. Here's improvements, and on this side, not improvements. For improvements, you have house, trees, shrubs, grass, a sport court, a detached garage, a barn, a sidewalk or a curb, a patio or a deck. Now for not improvements, you have children's play set, decorative yard ornaments, furniture, bookshelves, window treatments, and a detached microwave. Extra note, just like something retained of an investment and on investments, I don't know, but it has to do with improvements to the land and improvements of the land.